Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Max, Chief Evangelist over here at Hapily. Something that we hear from our customers a lot is that it's really difficult managing, cloning, editing, and updating lists that they're using inside of HubSpot to manage lists of registrants, attendees, maybe cancellations, a wait list, people who didn't attend the event, no shows, stuff like that. That is something we tackled head on here at Hapily. And I want to show you how easy it is to build and manage lists for your events, or now, as HubSpot calls them, segments. We're going to go start in the event builder here. If you don't know the event builder, this is where you can come and actually build your events that show up in HubSpot, and we'll help you create a whole bunch of assets. But one of the things we help you build is lists. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to go ahead and give this a name. We'll call this Max's Segments Event. I'm just going to put in testing for the description here, and then we'll give it a rough start time and end time. None of this is really important for what I'm showing you, but we're just going to go ahead and get it out of the way. Cool. One of the very first things you'll see at the top of this screen is this option to build event lists. Yes, we know HubSpot calls them segments now. I'm sure we'll update this at some point, but if you've been using HubSpot for a while, you know these as lists. But you have these options here. So if you want, and you can choose not to do this, but if you want, we can go ahead and build a list of contacts who registered, attended, did not attend, got on a wait list, or canceled. So you do not have to do this on your own. Now, when you go and build this, I already have one kind of set up here. So you would go and choose like everything else you want to build. But when you build this, what you'll see is these lists getting created in HubSpot. I've got a bunch of test ones here, but what you'll see is the name of the event and then this little bracket thing, and then either registered, did not attend, attended, waitlisted, canceled, things like that. So we automatically build these lists for you so you don't need to worry about them. And what we actually do is if you go in and look at the filters here, we will set them up so it'll be contacts associated to an event that has a specific ID. The reason we use the record ID of the event is so if you change the name of the event, this will still work because the ID will always be the same in the background. So we give you the name of the event, the type of list it is. We automatically assign the label that we're looking for here, which determines like that person's current status with that event. And then we make sure it's linked to the actual ID itself. So as people register for events like Dax here, they're going to show up on the registered list. As people cancel, they'll go on the canceled list. As people do not attend or no show, they'll go on the did not attend list, so on and so forth. And we automatically adjust all of these association labels for you so you don't have to worry about list management. People will automatically be added and removed from lists based on how their association labels update, and we take care of that in the background, right? This way, you have these segments or lists that you can use to either send a email blast out to after the event, use it for reporting, use it for workflow enrollments, all that kind of stuff. We automatically make and manage these lists for you so you don't have to do it on your own each time you have a new event. If you got any questions on how to better manage your event lists or segments, as we now know them, inside of HubSpot, shoot us an email at care@hapily.com, drop a comment under this video, or reach out to us on LinkedIn. We're always here to help. Thanks, everybody.